You know those days between Christmas and New Year's where time just feels weird? You're not sure if you should be relaxing or working or binge watching your favorite TV show? Let's use this in-between time to reset and prepare for an amazing start to the new year. This is a perfect time to just kind of reset, refocus, and get ourselves ready for the new year. We're going to talk about cleaning out physical clutter, mental and emotional clutter, and making room for new. Hi, I'm Katie Sevenance. I love helping women look beautiful and feel confident all day, whether you're growing your business on social media, or creating videos, or conferencing one-on-one, or you're just wanting to show up as your best self in the new year. How about cleaning out the physical clutter, like a makeup drawer? Start with your makeup. Check the expiration dates. Most makeup has an expiration date, a shelf life. So check on that. Make sure you've got some old products, or what if they're irritating your skin? Toss them out. Mascara should only be in your drawer maybe 3 to 4 months. What about a lipstick color that you haven't worn in years? Get rid of those things and make room for the fresh new things that build your confidence, that help you feel better and look good. Let's start the new year. How about starting the new year with a makeup kit? Can you imagine everything fitting in a simplified makeup kit like this? You have your foundation or tinted moisturizer, a new lip color or lip gloss, a couple eyeshadows that could be used as blush, as shadow, contour, highlight. You've got a new mascara, a new eyeliner, and maybe a concealer color or new blush color. Some of those eyeshadows can be used for all kinds of different things. So start with your makeup drawer. How about a closet declutter? Take 30 minutes just to go in and clean out your closet. Things that don't fit or that don't make you feel amazing, let it go. Donate or sell the clothes that no longer serve you, and create a space for the pieces that you do love or that do represent who you are now. Like if you find dust on things you haven't worn in a while, toss them. You want to show up confidently, whether you're on camera or in life. Tackle a drawer or your workspace. A clean, organized space, it can do wonders for your energy and your creativity. Let's talk about cleaning out the mental clutter. Are there old habits or limiting beliefs that are holding you back? Write them down. Thank them for their service and release them. For example, maybe you think, I'm not good on camera. Let's leave that in 2024 and replace it with, I'm learning to shine on camera. Reflect on your wins and lessons. Take a moment and just reflect on this year. What worked really well? And what do you want to leave behind? Use those lessons to shape what you want to bring into the new year. You might want to have a journal or creating a list. This is my top 3 things that I do every day, just to help me with clarity. You want to set small, meaningful goals. You don't need a list of 20 resolutions. Just pick 1 or 2 areas to focus on that truly light you up. Maybe it's showing up more confidently in your business, getting camera ready, or prioritizing your self-care. Think about it, a new lipstick or a fresh skincare routine, or learning 1 or 2 makeup tips can make you feel refreshed and ready to conquer 2025. Remember, confidence starts with feeling good about yourself, how you show up, whether it's on camera or in the mirror. Visualize the person you want to become in the new year. What does she look like? What does she do? How does she feel? What steps can you take right now to get closer to her? You want to start small and start now. What is one thing, one small thing you can either clean out or refresh today? I'd love to know what you're going to do. Leave it in the comments. I want to cheer you on. And remember, clearing out the old makes space for the incredible things waiting to come into your life in the new year.